In our last episode, we saw the bells of San Blas and explored the tropical paradise of Chacala. This time around, we peel ourselves out of paradise and make a big push south as we try to cover ground towards Guatemala. Good morning. Coffee time. We're still in Chacala. We've been here for I don't even know, almost a week, I think. This place is like a time vacuum. Got to get out. Otherwise we'll be here forever. And we don't really have any place we need to be. But we're trying to get to Guatemala this year. And from where we are right now, we've got about 1,000 miles of Mexico to cover before we get there. There's a lot of stuff to see still. So, if we don't peel ourselves out of here, we'll probably live here forever. So, we're going to hit the road and start moving south. We've got a stop that we're probably going to make in La Cruz, which is in Puerto Vallarta area, because there's a Costco, and we like treats that only Costco has. So, we're going to stop in the Puerto Vallarta area, La Cruz, probably stock up on some stuff, and then just keep moving south and try to cover some ground, because really there's maybe 3 months left. I think 3 months left on our visas in Mexico, so we've got about 3 months to get to Guatemala. And 1,000 miles! That's a lot of stuff to see. So, coffee, packing up, out of here. From Chacala, we motored our way south until the afternoon breeze filled in, and then finally pulled into La Cruz and dropped the hook just as the sun was going down. We made it to La Cruz, and guess who we found? It's Randy and Jody from Free Love.
Yeah.
Salud.
And we're all doing the same thing. It's the constant struggle here in Mexico. We're looking for internet. In this place we got it. With drinks.
Really bad, elevator covers.
But no matter how good the internet is, when this guy pulls up, you drop everything.
I know, delicious, huh? Just like normal donuts, like real donuts. Oh. I got one. Did you want another one?
Ooh, I'm excited!
Cookie, did he say? Or 20?
That is delicious. Oh my god.
Flan from the guy in a truck.
Sorry, I don't want to share this with Jeff.
It's terrible. I don't know how we can eat that.
But the real reason we stopped in La Cruz, well, it wasn't for flan. Good morning. Powering up. We're still in La Cruz, and today we're doing what we came here for. We're going to Costco, and we suckered Randy and Jody into coming too. Might have noticed by now, I'll just about eat anything, but there are some comforts of home we miss, and some of those things are pretty hard to find here in Mexico. So, Costco's got them. Good cheese, that's almost impossible to find. Coffee, which is really important. You can get big bags of coffee there. That's good. Bagels, lunch meat, all those things are pretty hard to find, but at Costco we can get them. And that's why we came to La Cruz. Well, sort of. Came here because it's a cool town, and they got some of the best tacos in all of Mexico. But really, it's so we could stock up. We're going to take a bus from here in La Cruz to Puerto Vallarta, which is about 45 minutes. And then you got about a mile walk to get to Costco, and we'll probably just take a taxi home, because we'll load up with a bunch of junk. See ya! about 45 minutes on the city bus, we made it to Puerto Vallarta.
We made it! We made it!
Frogger in real life.
Made it.
I have a feeling that you'd be amazed at how much stuff 4 lowly sailors could pick up at Costco. But what's more amazing is that all that stuff fit in a little taxi for the ride back to the boats.
We came, we saw, we shopped! Nice job, team! We did it! We did it!
All right, I've been on the cruise for a couple of days. And today we're doing something we normally don't do. We're going into the marina for one simple reason. Because this boat is filthy. Hasn't had a proper bath in probably a year, and it's starting to get disgusting. So we're gonna hit the dock, scrub off the boat. Tomorrow we'll be out of here, heading farther south. With the boat tied to the dock and a supply of water we didn't have to make, we gave the boat a deep cleaning inside and out, and then of course, well, we had to celebrate a job well done. And how would we celebrate? Well, that's easy. At the place with the best tacos in town.
Whoa, that is fire. That is fire right there in that bowl. It's still burning my lips. Yeah, it's fire.
Tacos. A little bit of roasted jalapeno in there. It's like the In-N-Out burger version of Mexico, where you just do one thing. You have a menu that is like 7 things. Call it good.
You get a choice of tacos or tacos. Or tacos. And that's it, tacos.
Very, very friendly.
Morgan was all excited about it.
And the only other thing on the menu? Well, it's flan. And I have to say, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And the next morning, we were out of there. Let the fishing begin.
Yep. Ran out of gear. Caught all our gear on long lines. We need a resupply.
All right, we're leaving the cruise in record time. Normally that little Velcro city, everybody gets stuck there forever. We were there for 3 days, I think. 3 days? 3 days. But now we're off. And today, we've got a huge drag race. 4 boats, all heading south. The only one that really matters to us, though, is Free Luff, because they can trash talk. So we got to smoke them. But we're underway, and so far, doing pretty good.
Adventure, Free Left. It filled in about 15-20 minutes ago out of the north, and it's blown about like 11-12 true out of northwest, and it's like perfect out here. It's absolutely spectacular. We've got a couple lines going, and there are whales freaking everywhere, and it's light chop and lovely sailing.
Well, it'll be a great sail. Hopefully it holds up.
Yeah, I think it's going to be lovely. This is a hell of a start anyway. We'll see how she goes.
All right, well, enjoy your time, and hopefully you guys catch some fish.
I hope so too. Free Left back to 2-2.
Adventure on 2-2. Since Free Luff jumped the gun and left about an hour before us, for the next 24 hours, they would be in our sights. But sadly for us, with the wind blowing in the mid-20s all night long and the catamaran being able to fly downwind, well, Free Luff by morning had pulled away by a few more miles. But amazingly, with some shifty wind and us being able to sail a deeper, more direct downwind route and a polished up racing stripe, within a couple of hours, well, there was Free Luff, way behind us. And in a couple more hours, well, they were farther. And by the time we made the turn into Bahia de Tenacatita, well, they were off the horizon. After a day and a half at sea, and with victory in our hands, we made it here to Tenacatita. We made it to Tenacatita last night after about 34 hours, something like that, to get here from the cruise. We got here, dropped the hook, went for a swim, and went straight to bed. We were pretty beat. But now we're here. We're gonna go have some fun, check this place out. We were actually already here last year, so this isn't a new area to us, but this year's different. It's packed. There's, I don't know, 30 boats out there maybe. Last year when we were here, there was like 6. So, gotta make some new friends, gotta go screw around, have some fun. See ya. And this place, well, it's as close as I've ever seen to a cruiser's playground. But that's a story for next time. Thanks for watching.